Hi everyone, it's Morgan. We are taking it old school and doing a little what's in my purse video. I low-key love these videos and I gotta do one for you. So this is like my everyday bag. It is the Beis work tote. So like kind of like my work bag, what I take every day. It is huge, but it's very functional, very cute, stylish. It's got it all. If I'm going like out or just having like a shopping day or something like that, I might take a different bag with less in it. But this is my traditional everyday out and about type bag. I am obsessed with Beis. You probably know that by now, and if you don't, it probably means you're not subscribed, so you should definitely subscribe. Click the red button. We have a lot of fun here, I promise. Okay, moving on. So like I said, this bag is huge. If I compare it to my body, this is what it looks like on, so you can tell it is big, but I keep a lot with me and I wouldn't have it any other way. First of all, there are pockets on the outside, so we will start there. So this is the bag. First of all, we do have a little water bottle holder, just like a normal backpack would, but on a purse, which I adore because I always have water with me. I traditionally carry this like giant like half-gallon, but if I'm just going like out and about throughout the day, I don't need that much water, so I just have this like regular size. This is a 22 ounce. It is from Simple Modern, which is a really popular brand on Amazon for water bottles. So this just fits so nicely in here. It's perfect. Stay hydrated. On the other side, however, there is another pocket, but this one is zippered. And so what I like to keep in here is all of my lip products for easy access, because I find that I'm reaching for these very often. I will always keep a Glossier Balm.com for a regular chapstick, as well as my Laneige Lip Glowy Balm. Love these. And I will keep an actual lipstick. So this is like what I use for color. I'm wearing it right now. The Maybelline Lifter Gloss. I'm obsessed with it. I've never found a lip gloss I like better than this one. Not even lying. And the color is just everything I want and more. It is the color Stone, which is the number 8. And so I just keep these zipped right in the pocket, like I said, for easy access. And then if this bag tips over, they won't fall out or anything because it does zip. On the back of the bag, there is this extra pocket, but I don't typically keep anything in here just because it is very thin. So I don't know, I don't find anything else that I need that is small enough to keep in there. So that's the front zipper right here, but there also is like a slip pocket right here, which acts as like a trolley pass-through if you are taking this traveling. But if you zip the bottom, it's also a pocket. Again, I don't typically keep anything in here just because I don't really need to, but it's convenient if you want to. It does come with a long strap. There is little clips here if you want to use a long strap. However, I find using a long strap just makes the bag hang really low and look even larger in like a weird proportion to me, so I do like the shoulder bag straps. I am a really big shoulder bag gal as well. If we go ahead and unzip this giant main compartment here, it does zip all closed, which I do really like that. Open it up. There's a lot of stuff in here and a lot of room for stuff. So basically there is this back zipper pocket right here. There is this middle pouch area, and then there's also a padded sleeve here with other pockets as well. So what I keep in the main area is my tripod, actually. I do keep this with me on a daily basis because I'm constantly taking outfit pictures. Follow my Instagram to see them. But the tripod I use is an Amazon Basics one, and it does close down to pretty compact, decently small, so I like to keep it in here. It fits just nice, which is another reason I am in love with this bag, because I keep this with me on a daily basis. And then I actually don't keep anything else in this just like regular main compartment because I keep all the little things in this pouch. This pouch can button here, but I don't always keep a button just because it's usually pretty full. I am going to take out the pouch, see how there's like nothing else on the inside, and we are going to go through the pouch and then the rest of the bag. Moving on to this pouch. Like I said, this just sits right in the middle of the main compartment of the purse. It just kind of helps keep things organized, and I don't know, I just really like it. It has the Beis logo right here, which is adorable. Otherwise, it's just a plain, nice quality pouch. Zips open and close, and there is the buttons if you do want to button it to the wall of the inside, or I can just keep these closed, which I should probably just keep them closed. So if you don't use the buttons, like I don't really, I should probably just keep these closed, but then it's just kind of out of the way, and you can use this pouch by itself if you ever wanted. So in here, I keep all the goods, really all the goods. Starting off with first, we have a phone charger. Always got to keep a phone charger. At home, I use like the charging plates, like when I go to sleep and stuff, so I have extra phone chargers, which is awesome. We have some hand cream. This is by the brand Tree to Tub, and it's just really great to keep, especially since it's winter and I'm drier than ever, so we love that. I also do like to keep a perfume with me. I like the Dossier ones, not only because I love the brand, but also it is a smaller size, so it's nice to keep in this purse, especially because the purse is so big. It doesn't take up room, it's not heavy. I will rotate in and out whichever perfume I want. Right now we do have the Floral Musk in there. which just smells so good. I have a mask, as one would need. I also keep several pairs of sunglasses. So in this pouch, I do have two main ones right away. From Top Fox, I have these like black faded aviators, which I adore. These just, oh, yes, I know, these are a moment. And I do love the case it comes with because it snaps closed, it's nice, it's protective, but it's not chunky. I love it. And then I also have these sunglasses, which I use in so many of my Instagram pictures. They are just so stylish. They are right from Amazon, and I'm obsessed with them. They are like a Versace dupe, but those are very expensive, you know? These were like, I don't know, $13 maybe? Obviously not as good quality. They do have some wear and tear on them, but I still love them either way. The shape is just amazing. I have a pair of little gloves because it's cold. I do keep a nail polish in my purse. It's not the color I'm wearing right now, but I just like to have one with me, as well as a nail file. You never know when you need to file your nails. A ponytail. I really only use these clear coiled ones. These are just the best. I have a pair of fake AirPods because I don't have real ones, and I got these, so I keep them in my purse because they're easy to use. And my main headphones I use for like editing and everything are like big over the head ones, so I just don't want to carry them with me. I also have a cute little mirror. You can just use your phone camera, but you know, it's cute. I like to carry a mirror, why not? Some hand sanitizer. I have it on this little thing, you know, but I never really clip it to anything. I just throw it in the bag. Some ibuprofen, because you never know when you're gonna spring a headache. No matter how hydrated I am, I still always get headaches. A tampon. I do keep Tums with me because I hate when I have an acidic stomach. I don't know, they come in handy. I also keep this little tool with me. It's supposed to be for sunglasses, I'm pretty sure, but it's basically just like a tiny little screwdriver, and sometimes the bottom screws of my camera come loose, and this actually fits right in it to screw them in tighter, so that's amazing. And I always need this because if the screws fall out, my camera's gonna fall apart, and I can't have that. Mini hairspray, love that. And then I also keep a soft bristle brush with me because a lot of times I like slick my hair back, so these two are good to have on the go. I use like a hair gel and stuff when I'm doing my hair, but these are good to keep with me. And that's everything we have in this little pouch. I just love it that it keeps things separated. I know I keep kind of a lot in here, and it might seem like it's all just floating around, but I don't know, it's just how I prefer it. It works for me. I love it. I love it. I love it. A lot of times I'll leave it open just to grab for easy access, but it does zip closed. Next up, let's do the zipper pocket. So like you saw on the inside, one of the walls does have a zipper pocket. This is technically like the front side of the purse, and this is where I keep my financials. Just because it is zipped away, I like to keep my wallet, as well as I do have a separate little coin purse for change. And then anything else important, like this is a important document that I've been needing to take care of for a long time, and I just haven't. So I keep it in my purse so that I know it's there and I see it all the time. But yeah, this is a Louis Vuitton wallet. I got it last March and I am obsessed with it. I love it so much. And then this I literally got for free in college, and I was like, you know what, let's just use this as a coin purse, why not? And I don't really have that much change because I don't use cash that often, but I have some, and then I have some like random things in here too. Like you just collect random cards and stuff, it just happens. But that is all I keep in the inside zipper pocket. I just don't want it to get crowded. Financial things are important. And then on the other wall, so the pouch sits right in the middle of here, and then this is technically the back wall. As you can see, it is so nice. We have some pockets here and here, and then we do have this back padded pocket. So I will keep I have my iPad in here right now. Depending what I need, I will put my laptop in here too. The pocket is big enough where it fits both, and it is padded, so it's nice and secure, and it does Velcro. We love that. And then I also keep a pair of blue light glasses in here. Believe that's just from Amazon. And then what do you know, I have another pair of sunglasses because you just can't have enough. So these are from Top Fox. I think these are my newest pair. Yes, they are these cute little beige ones. Trendy, fun, I love it. You know, you just never have enough sunglasses apparently. And then we do have pen pockets, so I will keep my Apple Pencil. This is actually a dupe. This isn't the real one because I lost mine. And then a regular pen as well. And that is everything on the walls of the bag. So that should be everything I keep in my bag because I work virtually and I can take my work with me wherever I go. I do like to bring all of this with me on a day-to-day basis. Like I said, if I'm doing something specific, I might grab a smaller crossbody or something to like go out in, go to dinner in, whatever, but this is kind of like my everyday out and about, I need everything type of bag. I will link this bag because I recommend it so much. I also do have a discount code with Beis. Doesn't benefit me, but you should use it, definitely, because I love them. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. please like this video if you liked it. And don't forget to subscribe on your way out. And I will see you in my next one.